Max. Today we're going to be unboxing the Gan249 V2. That's exactly what it says. It's right there. It's very long. So let's unbox this. Here we have everything. And the cube that doesn't come in plastic tape. First turns. I wish this had magnets. It turns really well. It's kind of warpy. I'm gonna adjust it. I don't think you can adjust it because there's no numbers. So thank you for, I forgot to time this out for you. I'm gonna get a scramble done. Pretend this is a computer and I'm gonna do a scramble. Three, two, one. Timer's on. 3, 2, 1. This turns warpy. It looks like I'm just get bad times on it. I wish this brings luck. I just got an 18, so bye!